Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So the secret to getting ahead is to getting started. So let's get started. In today's video, I'm going to be recreating Serena Cleary. She's my favorite makeup artist in the whole world, one of them. She is so sweet. She's from Dublin, Ireland, and she did this Jasmine look. I'm going to insert a picture right here so you guys can see it. She did this look like, I think over the weekend. She got so many people recreating it, so I wanted to recreate it too because I absolutely love her and I message her all the time. And go show her some love. I'm gonna put her Instagram handle here so you guys can also go follow her. See how this look turns out. Just keep on watching. So to do this look, I'm going to be using the 35i ICY Fantasy palette. I got this for Easter from my husband, so I've never played with it yet. So let's just get into this look with using this palette. Okay, to save time, I already did my eyebrows off of camera. I'm going to prep them with my P. Louise base in Rumor 1, the best base in the world. So let's just prime the eyes. Taking my finger and rubbing it all over my crease and outer crease. And a little bit above. Same thing on this side. Gonna bring you guys in a little bit more so you guys could see what the heck I'm doing. Okay, so here's the look that she did. Sorry about the glare. She is so gorgeous. I'm gonna be recreating this look. And I'm also gonna post up everything so you guys can go check her out. I love her. She's so sweet, so kind. And anyways, I'm also gonna be using the Frozen 2 palette, the Anna palette, because of the gold color in the middle. But I'm gonna start with Wind, this one, and put it all over my crease. And I got a bunch of new Morphe brushes, so let's just get them out and play with them too. I guess when you're doing looks like this, you have to really relax your eye so you could see where the crease is. Okay, I'm gonna go with the 35i ICY palette. This palette is perfect because of all the more of the pastel kind of colors. I'm gonna go in with probably these here for that green. This is the color Days, and this is the color Thaw. Yeah, on my skin tone they look exactly the same. And this is Mystical. Oh, that one's like, that's kind of like a glittery undertone duochrome. I'm gonna mix those two together. That didn't do anything. Oh, okay. It doesn't look that bad. I met Serena a couple years ago at Luminosity because her boyfriend Greg was playing. I always post them in my videos because I adore both of them. I did a whole video dedicated to her because she's so sweet. I absolutely love her. She's stuck in Dublin in quarantine just like all of us. I hope I get to travel soon to see her because she is just one of the nicest people I've ever met. Very down to earth, very just amazing. And I love it when people are who they are. Very vivid and bright. Okay, so I tried to clean up as much as I could just using a Q-tip, some micellar water. We just want to keep it just right here, right above the crease, just a little bit, not too much. Okay, so I'm going to be taking the Anna palette, the Frozen 2 Anna palette in the color Earth. Take a little bit of a flat brush to do that. I'm gonna blend too when I'm done. Wow, this is coming out a whole lot prettier than I thought it was going to. I'm gonna take the gold pressed glitter in the middle and I'm going to take my finger and just place it on. Ooh, wow. I think I like the Anna palette more than the Elsa. Wow, that looks so beautiful. Oh my gosh. I love this. I love how it's looking. And I also have this other little glitter by Beauty Creations. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. It's not going to be exactly like hers, but I did my absolute best. I'm going to finish this look off of camera and I'll be right back. Okay everybody, my look is completed. I love how it came out. In order of the princess. I think that's what Jasmine says. I'm not sure. I don't remember. But I had so much fun creating this look. I had so much fun creating this look. I can't wait to share it with Serena. Serena, you are so beautiful and I can't wait to see you again. Hopefully soon, once all this mess gets over with. I hope I made you proud with this look. I love how it came out. It's so beautiful. I don't have all the products you use, but again, I did use, my main one was the 35i Icy Fantasy palette and the Frozen 2 palette by ColourPop. I had a lot of fun again creating this look, and I had to be a little extra and put the bindi and everything else. Oh, I should have put bangles, and I put henna, and then, oh, we could have done this up so much next time. I also went in with my Ofra highlighter and just a little bit of concealer on my face and a nude lip. This NYX nude lip, I love it. Again, I had a lot of fun recreating this look and I can't wait to share it with Serena. And like I always say in the end now, before Alice got to Wonderland, she had to fall. So I just want to say thank you, Every Birdie, for coming back to my channel. Like and subscribe, follow me on Instagram. I'll put my Instagram handle right here for you guys. And thank you for coming back, and I will see all you birdies later. Bye, everybody.